Welcome to AmbitionBox. In this short guide, we'll show you how to set up custom email alerts on the AmbitionBox employer dashboard. To get started, log in using your registered email ID. Enter the OTP sent to your inbox. Once you're logged in, click on Email Alerts under the Settings section on the left panel. Now click on Create New Alert to set up a new notification. Next, choose the review ratings you want to receive alerts for. You can select all ratings or choose specific ratings between 1 and 5 stars. Then select your preferred notification frequency. Once everything is set, click on Activate. Managing alerts. You can use the toggle button to quickly switch an alert on or off anytime. To edit an existing alert, simply click on the pencil icon, make your changes, and save them. To delete an alert, click on the pencil icon, select Delete, and confirm your action. With custom email alerts, you can stay updated on the reviews that matter most, exactly the way you want. If you face any issues, please reach out to us via support@ambitionbox.com. Thank you.